we're going to look at the V-mount battery, the Atomos Ninja 5 and the Canon 5D Mark IV. When I was looking for a battery solution for filming, the V-mount system was perfect for me. The ability to push a button and see the voltage and amount of battery power I have left has been absolutely priceless. On the back of the battery, you have a V shape, which allows you to place the battery on a V-mount plate that holds the battery. On the top of the battery, you have a few connector ports that allows you to use it as a standalone battery supply. I use it to power my cell phone or mobile phone and my iPad. The device only weighs about 310 grams. The battery plate has a V-mount shape on the back of the device that allows you to connect the battery. The device, in my opinion, is the best solution for me. The next device we're going to look at is the Ninja V. When using my Canon 5D Mark IV, being able to see what I'm shooting is very important if I'm going to get critical focus. On the 5D, as with most cameras, the screen is small, so I have been looking for a larger monitor. I've tried quite a few and have been disappointed, but with the Ninja V, I've struck gold. The Atomos Ninja V is a 5.2-inch monitor that records 4K 60, 10-bit HDR video direct from your camera's sensor. The monitor is viewable in daylight thanks to its anti-reflection screen, and it has 100 nits output. But the most amazing thing about the device for me is that I can record directly from my camera's sensor, bypassing the camera's internal compression and, most importantly, its recording limits. The Ninja V has an HDMI in on the side of the device that connects to your camera, and an HDMI out on the side if you want to view content on a larger external monitor. On the side of the device, you have a power button along with the mic in for microphones, a headphone jack to listen to the audio to make sure your levels are correct, and a remote jack which connects to LANC remote controllers. On the back of the device, you have a 2.5 SSD HDD slot where you have the option to record to formats such as DNx HD or ProRes. The HDD drive just slots in. The battery slides into the battery port. The benefits for using the device includes I'm able to see the screen clearly. I'm able to shoot at a higher resolution. I have ProRes 4K recording. I have HDMI input and out. You can use a standard SSD. I have a bright 5-inch touch monitor. And most importantly to me, it extends my recording time. The Ninja 5 is just what I've been waiting for. The Canon 5D Mark IV is my camera choice. This camera has a wide array of lenses that you can use, both prime and zoom lenses. No matter what I'm shooting, I can be assured of uncompromising image quality and a thoroughly professional performance. This camera shoots in full HD up to 50 to 60 frames per second, HD up to 100 to 120 frames per second, and more importantly to me, I can shoot in 4K. And for my images, so that I can assure excellent quality, I shoot in RAW. The ISO ranges from 100 to 3200, which makes this camera good for low light shooting. Combined with my Ninja V, the quality I get from my footage is second to none. The Canon 5D Mark IV is the camera of choice. And there you have it. The tools I use to help me make compelling, interesting, and creative content.